Hello friends, and welcome to our channel. In this video, I will tell you and also show you how you can literally in a few seconds very easily find the SSID on your iPhone. Friends, please subscribe to the channel, be sure to put your likes, write comments, and let us get started with you. So friends, if you need to find the so-called SSID on your iPhone, then to do that, please open up the settings on your iPhone. Then in the settings at the top, you will see the Wi-Fi option, and click on that. And you'll have the network that you're connected to. Then I will tell you that the SSID list or the service set identifier is the name of the Wi-Fi network that you are currently connected to, like in my case. And if, say, your Wi-Fi is called work, then that would be its SSID. That's the very simple way you can find the SSID on your iPhone quickly and easily. I hope this video was helpful to you. Friends, please put your likes, subscribe to our channel. Bye-bye.